Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Quick Share on your phone, and you enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so the link can form fast. Once you've selected the photo or file, tap Share and pick Quick Share. Make sure location is allowed if prompted. Then choose the QR code option to generate a scannable image. This creates a temporary session. You'll see a visible QR on screen. Don't close the app because that invalidates the code. Now you instruct the recipient to open their camera or QR scanner and aim at the on-screen code. Once detected, they tap the prompt to join the transfer. If they need permissions, they should allow file receiving. That authorizes the connection. You watch progress on both devices. Once transfer begins, avoid moving away or locking screens because drops happen when connections sleep. When it finishes, confirm the file saved to the expected folder so everything transferred correctly. To finish, you open the received file and confirm it looks right. That verifies integrity and size. If the QR won't scan, restart Quick Share and regenerate the code. Also try toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because stale radios are common culprits. If problems persist, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and not in airplane mode, and then attempt the transfer again. If that still fails, restart both devices and repeat the QR process to clear any temporary network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.